Welcome to UTC AI Studio, AI powered, creativity fueled. A major disruption has just shaken the AI world. Meet Manus AI, an intelligent agent that doesn't just answer questions, but actually completes tasks for you. Some are calling it the biggest breakthrough since ChatGPT. But is it truly the future of AI? Let's dive in and find out. Stay tuned because what we're about to uncover is mind blowing. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What makes Manus a game changer? Unlike traditional chatbots that simply respond to queries, Manus AI plans, executes, and delivers results like a true digital assistant. Imagine an AI that writes code and fixes errors, analyzes business data and generates reports, plans vacations, house hunts, and even provides financial insights. Sounds like something from a sci fi movie, right? But this is happening right now. The name Manus means mind and hand in Latin, symbolizing its ability to think and act like a human assistant. It operates through multiple AI agents working together, just like a real team. One plans, another codes, another verifies, delivering seamless results. Why is everyone talking about Manus? Since its launch on March 6, 2025, the demand for Manus AI has been skyrocketing. Invite codes have even been sold for as much as 50,000 yuan. Why? Because its capabilities are truly remarkable. Like the house hunting in New York, it researches safety, property prices, and budgets, then compiles a full report. Trip planning. It creates detailed itineraries, compares expenses, and finds the best travel deals. Stock market analysis. It processes financial data, generates visual dashboards, and provides investment insights. Resume screening. It can analyze multiple resumes simultaneously, adapt its evaluation process, and even learn user preferences for output formats. And this is just the beginning. Imagine Manus handling your business research, lead generation, or data analysis all on its own. Who created Manus? Manus was developed by Monica AI, a startup founded by visionary entrepreneur Xiao Hong. Their chief scientist, Ji Chao, released a demo that went viral, garnering hundreds of thousands of views within just 20 hours. Major investors, including Zen Fund and 81, are pouring in millions, betting that Manus could redefine the AI landscape. The tech behind Manus AI. Manus isn't just smart, it's setting new records. It outperformed OpenAI's best models on the Gaia benchmark, which measures real world AI capabilities. It can write and debug complex code, process massive datasets and generate dashboards, create high quality content tailored to specific needs, learn user preferences, and improve over time. One of its most impressive demonstrations was in medical research. In a comparative analysis of ME CFS disease studies, Manus AI produced an extensive 21,000 word report, surpassing OpenAI's deep research in both depth and innovation. Although it took an hour to complete compared to deep research's 15 minutes. The quality, however, was undeniable. Will Manus change the world? AI adoption is skyrocketing, and analysts predict enterprise AI usage will jump from 21% to 80% by 2026. Companies are already testing how Manus can revolutionize industries like retail analytics, optimizing Amazon store data to boost sales, finance, automating stock analysis and financial reporting, education, developing interactive learning tools for students. Currently, Manus AI is invite only as Monica AI scales up its servers. They claim it will eventually be free, but no official timeline has been given. Meanwhile, global media outlets, including Global Times, Newsweek, and China Daily, are calling it one of the most significant AI breakthroughs ever. User reactions. The launch of Manus AI has sparked a variety of reactions on Platform X. Users have shared their experiences, highlighting both the potential and the current limitations of this new technology. Ethan Mollick, a professor at Wharton, finally had a chance to try Manus. It's a Claude wrapper, but a very clever one. Runs into the same issues as general agents, including getting stuck, but also capable of some good stuff. Barsi, founder of thiaivali.com, AI is getting out of hand. Manus, an AI agent from China, is automating approximately 50 tasks, creating a rather dystopian scenario. Reports suggest it is more accurate than DeepSeek, capable of simultaneously handling financial transactions, research, purchasing, etc. Manus AI is the closest thing to AGI we've seen. This is AI agent that combines deep research plus operator plus cloud computer. Simon Taylor, an AI entrepreneur. Plot twist: Manus AI is not a DeepSeek moment. It's much more interesting. When DeepSeek happened, Nvidia stock fell. The $150 billion round for OpenAI seemed optimistic and outperforms everything on the market. These few diverse perspectives reflect the community's excitement and cautious optimism regarding Manus AI's capabilities. The big question, but not everyone is convinced, is Manus truly autonomous or just a highly sophisticated integration of existing AI models? Monica AI's track record, including their wildly successful ChatGPT browser plugin with over 10 million users, proves they know how to build powerful AI systems. But is Manus the next leap forward or just the latest hype? What do you think? Is Manus the future of AI? Will it transform the way we work forever? If you interest any particular topic on which you want me to make a video, just drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as an encouragement to UTCI Studio for more AI-powered insights. See you in the next video.